Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Tuesday, September the 10th, 2013, and here's today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session so far. The Dow is up 97 points, the Nasdaq's up 15 and a quarter. The S&P is up 9 points. The Russell 2000 is up 6.5 points. We take a look at a couple of the key sectors here. As far as the commodities go, first, crude oil is down 67 cents via the USO. Gold GLD is down $2.20. Gold miners GDX are down 90 cents. JJC copper they're down 21 cents. Silver SLV is down to 72 cents. We take a look at the breadth in the market. The breadth in the market is pretty much mixed. Right now we have 3,862 issues advancing on the NYSE, NASDAQ, and the AMEX, and we have 2,232 issues declining on the NYSE, NASDAQ, and the AMEX. So breadth is pretty much one to one, you could say. A couple of key sectors near the top of the change from open. ETF lifts the IYT, the transports, FAS, the financials, MOO for the agriculture stocks, XLI. Those are a couple of the key sectors near the top of the list. Some key sectors near the bottom of the list from the change from open ETF list here that we watch intraday. XBI, Biotech, GDXJ, Junior Gold Miners, KOL, coal stocks, GDX, regular gold miners, XLE. The energy sector is a little bit weak today as you have ExxonMobil down, APC, DVN. So let's go and talk about the markets here, break down the charts. First of all, you can see overnight we traded higher. We closed yesterday at 1669 half. We opened up today at 1680, so we opened up about 11 points, 10 points higher. We were pretty much told the guys in the room do not get long the open. If anything, look to try to fade it if you're looking to get the fade action. Which on the 5-minute chart, you can see here we had this nice little range that took place overnight that we broke out of, and then going into the open around 7:30, we started to establish a range on the E-minis. This is a 5-minute chart right here. We started to establish a range between 1679 and 1680, being the fact that 1682 was our R1 level, which is a hardcore level from the daily chart. That that level acted as a neckline that we broke down out of from the head and shoulders pattern about 3 weeks ago, or at least back down here, at least back here on let's see, at least back here on August the 14th was when we broke past that level, broke below that level. So it's a key level to watch, and you can see we were not able to break above and hold above the 1682 level. We then formed this nice little upward channel that we broke down out of. If you were in our live intraday chat room, mywallstreettv.com, password to log in is SMART, SMART. You would have been able to participate in this trade because we called this trade right here to the short side on the ES when this happened. So again, if you want access to the chat room, you could go to our website, wallstreettrading.com, fill out the form on the right hand side, or if you're looking just to get a little day to check out the room, you can also go in there, type in your email and type in the password SMART. However, if you do not register on the website, you will not have access after 14 days. So you want to make sure you register on the website. Aside from that, back to the markets. So we sold off, hit the double bottom right, this key 1677 level, which we gave out in our room as support one to watch, and so far we've been holding that low. Going forward, you want to keep an eye to see if we're going to try to break past this little downward trend line, or if we can get back above 1680 and hold. All right. As far as the other markets goes, if you're watching the ETFs to track the Nasdaq, the triple Qs, or the Russell 2000, the IWM, you can see here the Nasdaq on the triple Q, the Nasdaq 100 is having a tough time trying to break over 78.31. It did make new 52-week highs today again. The SPY, see here, was not able to break and hold above this 168.75 area, so we're now fading, and you can say that we now have an established range on the SPY between 168.85 and 168.30, so we have about a 50-cent range or so there. And then we have the Russell 2000 again, which is trading pretty nice, gapped up today, holding its opening gap. It looks like it may want to go back up there and test those highs around 104.83. The Russell 2000 is currently just trading in a range between 104.83 and 104.31, so this one as well is trading in the 50-cent range. As far as some stocks goes, well, I haven't really been looking around at too many stocks, but we do have some strong stocks today. Let me go ahead and bring up the charts here. Starting off with Netflix. Netflix has been a strong name to keep on your A bull list. And you can see this thing's just taking off, making new highs again today, breaking over the 300 level, and now it's trading 309.79. And I'm not sure if the stock's making new all-time highs yet. Let me see here. Yeah, Netflix made new all-time highs today, guys, breaking over its July 11th, 2011 high. So this is definitely a power stock that you should have on your radar. Let's see what else is shaking and baking here. You had Tesla up over 2.5% from the opening price. This one sold off yesterday, or showed some relative weakness to the market yesterday, and now it's showing some nice strength with the market today. Keep an eye on this for a move higher in the afternoon. If it could hold above 166, this trade could make a nice move back up towards the highs. Some of the solar stocks were in play today as CSTY. Solar City had some news come out regarding a big deal that they got. So you can see CSTY, another stock that's in play, and hence the solar stocks made a nice move up, such as FSLR gave you a nice little opening move higher after pulling back. CSIQ was another one. So you got some traders in the office that are watching these names. Well, CSIQ actually faded that gap up, showing that it's weak. So either way, keep an eye on the solar sector. Casinos are trading pretty strong. Take a look at Wynn Resorts. This is a name that you may want to look for a pullback in the afternoon for a buy setup. You can see it's making a pullback right now. Keep this one on your radar, along with MGM and LVS. Let's see what else we got going on before I close the video out here. The financials are doing pretty good. JP Morgan up 1.5%. As you guys know, Goldman Sachs is in play as well. Got added to the Dow Jones along with Nike and some other name. I forgot which one it was. Those stocks are in play. And oh yeah, it was Visa and Visa. Okay, Visa's trading pretty strong today as it got added to the Dow Jones. Aside from that, make sure you check out the website, wallstreettrading.com. If you're interested in joining our prop firm or taking our education course, you can contact me at ccooper at wallstreettrading.com. And that's about it, folks. Have a great day, and I'll catch you guys for the After the Bell market summary video. Cheers.